session of the IIT JAM Mathematics Lecture Series. Today we have with us Dr. Ranjan Khatu, Sir, Assistant Professor from Shriram, Kusumtai, Sadashiv, Vanjare College, Lanja, whose expertise in real and complex analysis has greatly enriched our learning. We look forward to an engaging and insightful discussion today and in the coming sessions. So let us warmly welcome Dr. Ranjan Khatu, Sir, to begin the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, madam. I'm going to share my screen. Please check whether it is visible or not.
Sure, sir.
Is it visible, madam? My
Yes, sir. The
screen?
screen is visible. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so it's properly visible, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so I'll start. See, I'm going to cover in my lecture the double integration, triple integration, and see properties of definite integral, many things. Okay. But before starting the actual double and triple integration, we will discuss some standard basic curves. Okay, since we are going to use them in each and every problem. Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So we will start with standard lines first. Okay. Anyone knows x is equal to 0 represents which curve?
Y-axis.
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 Yeah, very good. It's x is equal to 0 is a y-axis. Y is equal to 0?
X-axis.
X-axis. X-axis.
X-axis. So y is equal to 0 represents x-axis, right? Okay, so we have parallel lines also. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 represents
A
Parallel to
line
Y.
parallel to
Y-axis.
Y-axis. Parallel to Y-axis.
line
Parallel to Y-axis, passing through x equal to 2.
Exactly, very good. So x is equal to 2. Okay, let me show it here. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, right? X is equal to 2. So it's a line parallel to y-axis passes through x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3.
A line parallel to X-axis passing through Y equal to 3.
Yeah, it's a line again parallel to x-axis which passes through y is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's a line parallel to x-axis passes through y is equal to 3, right? So y is equal to 3. See, the next is x plus y is equal to 2. Tell me it represents which curve? X plus y is equal to 2. Don't know?
It is a straight line with a slope -1 and the intercept is 2.
Whose intercepts are 2 on the x-axis and y and also on the y-axis as well.
Yeah, very good. See, we need to observe their powers, right? So power of x is 1, power of y is also 1. So that means definitely it is a line. Getting? So I had given very simple line, so you can easily tell me. But when you have any complicated line, no need to worry. Okay. See, there was one result in, I think, 9 or 8 standard. We studied that there is only one line which passes through given 2 points. That means it is enough to find any 2 points. Getting? We want 2 points on this line, then we can find this line by joining these 2 points. So I will draw one table. Okay. X, Y, X, Y. Okay. What will I do? I will put x is equal to 0 first. If I put x is equal to 0 in this equation, you will get y is equal to 2. So the point will be 0, 2. After that, I will put y is equal to 0. So if I put y is equal to 0 in the same equation, we will get x is equal to 2. So that means 2, 0. So we get 2 points, 0, 2. It will be here and 2, 0. So it will be here 2, 0. So that means the given line passes through these 2 points. So we'll get line like this. Okay. See, this technique is applicable for all lines. If you have any kind of lines, you need to find any two distinct points on that line using the same method, and definitely you will get the line, required line. Okay. So that line part we have covered. We will move further. We will go to the circle now. Okay. Circle. Anyone knows the standard equation of circle?
X square plus y
X
square
square
is equal to
plus
r
y square
square.
equal to r square.
Yes. So what is, see, two things are required, right? Now, radius and center. What will be the radius of this circle and center?
Radius is r and
Yeah,
center is
and
origin.
center
Yeah,
will be
sir.
0, 0, origin.
Very good. So we have a circle here. This is very standard circle with center 0, 0 and the radius is r. So we'll get this kind of circle whose radius is r. That means this point will be r, 0, 0, r, right? Okay. So we will talk about now more general circle, okay? Which equation will be x minus a square plus y minus b square is equal to r square. This is again a circle, getting? So what will be its center and what will be its radius?
Center
Center
is
is a comma b
comma
and
b.
radius is r.
Most of you know this fact, getting this thing very good now. So see, we have a center here a comma b and radius is r. So this is one of the techniques, getting? So there is one more method, getting? This is a circle with center ab and radius r. So in 12th standard, we studied one standard formula a x square and hg, those symbols we use. In that way also you can find a circle, but okay. So this is also you can use. Next is standard curve is ellipse. Ellipse. Okay, so what is the standard equation of ellipse?
X square by a square plus y
X
square
square
by b
minus
square
y
equal to 1.
square is equal to
Plus y square by b square is equal to 1, right?
1.
So x intercept of this ellipse is a and minus a here, right? And y intercept is b and minus b. So we'll get this kind of ellipse. Okay. See, next is hyperbola. Do you know the equation, standard equation of hyperbola?
X square by a square minus
X
y
square
square by b square
minus
equal to 1.
X square by
A square
square.
minus y square by
y
b
square
square
by
equal to 1.
it will look like this. Getting? Anyone knows anything about rectangular hyperbola?
Sir, that curve will be in the first quadrant and in the third quadrant.
Okay, what will be its equation?
xy
Uh,
equal to 1.
Is xy is equal to 1, xy is equal to 2, xy is equal to 3. Anything you can say. X into y is equal to some non-zero number. Getting? So you will get this kind of rectangular hyperbola. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So let us talk about the most important curve, that is parabola. Okay, so what will be the standard equation of parabola?
Y square
Y
equal to
square equal to
4x.
4
equal to 4ax.
Yes. So x square is equal to
X square equal to
4ay
4ay.
4ay.
or y square is equal to 4ax, right? Okay, so here a can be, here we consider a positive, you can take negative also. But see, I will write this equation in this form, standard parabolas, right? So x square is equal to y y square is equal to x. Getting? Okay, just a minute. X square is equal to minus y and y square is equal to minus x. Okay. See, if what is power of y here? 1. What is power of x? 2. So we can easily say if the power of one variable is 1 and the second variable is 2, it represents a parabola, right? So here, then if we talk about the first parabola, the power of y is 1. That means the parabola is symmetric about y-axis. Getting, since the power of y is 1. In the next equation, here also the power of y is 1, but that y has a minus sign. So that's why the parabola opens in downward direction. What can you say about this parabola? Tell me. Here the power of x is 1, right?
So
Sir, it
symmetric
will
about
open in
x
positive
axis.
x-axis type.
Symmetric about positive x-axis, right? And for the next parabola, it is symmetric about
Negative x axis.
Negative x-axis.
Negative x-axis.
very good, very good. Okay. So let us start to solve the problems now. Okay, so here I have taken the mixed problems. Sometimes you will have the problem of change the order of integration, find the volume, find the area, find the surface area, getting? Or sometimes we will have some problems on beta gamma function. Okay, so just I have taken problems from the previous year's question papers of JAM. Okay, so area of surface generated by rotating a curve. So we have a curve. So we have a curve x is equal to y cube. They are given a limits on y 0 to 1, and we have that curve is rotating about y-axis, and we have to find the surface area. Okay, which is obtained by that rotation. So anyone knows the formula of area, surface area? Anyone knows? Integration a to b, 2 pi x. Yeah, please. Square root
1 plus
1 plus.
differentiation of
Very good. Square. Agree? dy. Okay, so no problem if you don't know. Okay, so now using this formula, we have to find the surface area. Okay, so what will be the values of a and b here? Tell me.
0 and 1.
Yeah, they have directly
0
given
and 1.
0, 1.
See, 2 pi is a constant now, so I will take it outside, right? 2 pi is constant. What is value of x here? Y cube. Agree?
Y cube.
Yeah, square root of 1 plus dx by dy. What will I do? I will solve it in rough. What is my x? It is y cube. No, so I will find its derivative here. What is the derivative of x with respect to y?
3y square.
Yeah, I will put it here. 3y square, but again bracket square we have dy is equal to 2 pi 0 to 1 y cube. Okay, let us simplify whatever we have inside the square root. Then we will solve the integration. Yeah, tell me its square root.
9y to the power 4.
9y to 4.
Now the question is how to solve this integration. It looks difficult, right? No, since square root we have, pi cube we have. Tell anyone knows how to solve this integration?
So we can let
By
u equal to
converting
1
its
plus
modulus.
9y to the power 4.
Yeah. Most of you are saying that we need to put, okay. So when we feel the integration is difficult, most of the times we use this technique. Generally, what we have in power, or when you have anything in power, when you have anything inside the angle, or when you have anything inside the square root, generally we put that function as a t. Okay, so I will do the same thing here. Inside the square root, we have 1 plus 9y raised to 4 is equal to t. So when you put anything, what is your first task? What is your first job? Tell me.
Differentiation.
Very good. So we need to differentiate one. What will be its derivative?
36y cube dy.
36y
36
cube equals to dy by dx.
Exactly. We are differentiating with respect to t. Getting now. So I will write dy here, and derivative of t is 1. So I will write dt. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can easily see y cube dy is already there. So y cube dy, I will write y cube dy is equal to dt by 36, right? So both of them can be easily replaced by dt by 36. Okay, so what is our second job? Tell me, after differentiation, what is our second job?
So we need to change the limit of integration.
Limits.
Change the limit.
Yeah, limits of y 0 and 1. So let us find the value of t for these limits of y. So t, you need to
1.
simply put y is equal to 0 here, then you will get the value of t. It is 1, right? And if I put y is equal to 1, what will get?
10.
10.
And so we got our new limits, which are 0 to, sorry, 1 to 10. So yeah, I is equal to, or sorry, area is equal to 2 pi limits 1 to 10, right? Square root t and y cube dy is dt by 36. Okay, so 36 is constant, we can take it outside. So yeah, 2 pi upon 36. What is integration of square root of t?
1 by 2 root
Yeah, root means t raised to half. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be its integration? 2 will get cancelled here. 2 will get cancelled. I will write simply pi by 18.
T raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2.
Very good. T raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, right? Okay, so again, I always take constants outside. Okay, to make it more simple, that pi by 18, 3 by 2 will come outside. So it is in denominator, so it will be 2 by 3. T raised to 3 by 2, 1 and 10. 2 will get cancelled, agree? You will get 9. And it is pi by 27. If I put upper limit, it will be 10 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 is 1. So you cannot find a value of 10 raised to 3 by 2 directly. So I will keep as it is. So that will be the final answer. Have you understood the first problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If you have any difficulty, you can ask. Okay. Okay, so one more problem we have. So this time we have a double integration. Let me copy as it is. Okay. So 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 minus y square y sine pi 1 minus x whole square and dx dy. So this type of problem definitely you can see in any question paper of JAM exam. Getting? So definitely one problem of this type. So can you guess how to solve this problem, double integration?
Sir, is this a PYQ of JAM exam or is it just a random question?
No, last year question paper I have taken problem, this
Okay,
problem from.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, can anyone tell me how to solve this one?
So
All
change of
problems from-
order in the integration.
Firstly, doing integration with respect to
y
x.
by keeping x constant.
Sorry. Yeah, please tell me again.
First, integrating with respect to one variable by keeping other constant and then again integrating.
You want to say this one, getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this type of problem definitely will be there in exam, I guess, because in previous question papers, I got at least one problem, okay, in each paper. See, if you try to solve it directly, it will be very difficult. Getting to solve this problem, integration with respect to x. See, inside the sign, we have pi 1 minus x whole square. You cannot put even anything. It will make it more complicated. So it is better to change the order of integration. Anyone knows what is meaning of change the order of integration? Anyone
Sir,
knows?
firstly, you have to make a graph of the.
Okay.
Then we have to draw a line, and then we have to change the limit about the.
Okay. In a simple language, we can say, see here the inner integration with respect to x, outer integration with respect to y. We have to change their order. That's it. We want dy inside and dx outside. Okay. But see, this is not that much simple because when we take the limits of integration, okay, limits of integration, suppose this kind of region we have, I don't know about this problem. So suppose you have this kind of region we have and you are taking a strip. Are you familiar with a strip? I guess all of you are in TYBSC, so you are familiar with this basic things, strip and strip, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you familiar with this strip?
To be honest, no. To be
No,
honest,
sir.
no, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Uh,
Okay.
we are in SYBSE, so I think
You are in
we
SYBSE. Oh, yeah, it is
Yes,
in
sir.
TYBSE,
SY.
syllabus of TYBSE. Okay. So, strip means you can consider a kind of see this kind of strip we have. So you have a two options. Okay. In short, I will tell you since I have to finish these problems also jam examination. Ready? Okay. So see two options we have. Sorry, yeah. Two options we have. We have to cover this region, this kind of region we have to cover. So two options we have. Just is anyone drawing here? Okay. See, either we can take a strip parallel to y-axis, and the second option is we can take a strip parallel to x-axis. Getting? Strip is either vertical or horizontal. So when you take a strip parallel to y-axis, at that time, inner integration with respect to y, outer integration with respect to x. And when you have a strip parallel to x-axis, that time, inner integration with respect to x, outer integration with respect to y, right? So here, dx dy we have. That means the strip is parallel to x-axis since the inner integration with respect to x. And we have to change the order. It means we want dy inside, we want dx outside. That means we have to rotate this strip. Original strip is parallel to x-axis. We have to rotate it and we have to draw a strip parallel to y-axis. Have you understood what is meaning of change the order of integration?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, yes. So
Thank
let
you.
us talk about this. Welcome. Let us talk about this and let us find the region first. Okay. So in the problem, they have directly mentioned the inner integration with respect to x. That means these are limits of x. Since the inner integration with respect to x and outer integration with respect
limits look like a unit circle.
No. No. Okay, we will check. We will check. And the outer integration with respect to y. Getting the point? Inner integration with respect to x, outer integration with respect to y. That means these are limits of y, which are y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Getting? And what will be the limits of x? Tell me. What will be the limits of x?
0 and 1
0
minus
to
y
1 minus
Zero
y
and
square.
one minus
y
y
square.
square.
Okay, okay. So let us find x is equal to y is equal to 0. It represents
x-axis.
Parallel to
X-axis.
yeah, we have already seen it is x-axis. Y is equal to 1 represents
a line parallel
Straight
to
line
x.
parallel to x-axis.
Sir,
line parallel to.
I think your screen sharing has stopped, sir.
Okay, I will check. I will check. Is it visible now?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
A line parallel to x-axis, right? Okay, what will I do? I will draw the diagram simultaneously. So we have x-axis, that means y is equal to 0 here. Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. This is a line parallel to x-axis. Passes to y is equal to 1. X is equal to 0 represents y-axis. Agree with me?
Yes.
X is equal to 0. And see, this is equation of what? X is equal to 1 minus y square. What it means?
Parabola.
It's parabola, right? Power of x is 1. Power of y is 2. If the power of one variable is 1 and the second is 2, it represents a parabola. But see, it is not in its standard form. Getting? What will I do? I will shift y square on this side and x on that side. Why I'm shifting? Because I never want minus sign to square of any term. So that's why I shifted y square on left side. Now it is positive and the x is shifted to the right hand side. It is negative. Getting? So it's a parabola. It's a parabola symmetric about
X-axis.
X-axis.
yeah, symmetric
X-axis.
about x-axis. But see, it has a minus sign. So negative x-axis. Agree with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but I want its exact position. That means parabola is like this, symmetric about negative x-axis, right?
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What will I do? I will find some points on the parabola. And then I will get the exact position of it. X, Y, X, Y. What will I do? I will put Y is equal to 0. If I put Y is equal to 0 in this equation, what will happen? X is equal to
Minus 1.
0. I will put X is equal to 0 in this equation. I'm going to put X is equal to 0 in this equation. What will be the value of Y?
Plus minus 1.
Plus minus.
Plus minus 1. That means 0, comma, plus minus 1. So let us find these points. 1, comma, 0 will be somewhere here. 1, comma, 0. 0, comma, minus 1 will be here. 0, comma, plus 1. And 0, comma, minus 1 will be on this side, right? 0, comma, minus 1. That means we'll get this kind of parabola. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the given region is bounded by these 4 curves. X is equal to 0, this one. Y is equal to 0, this one. Y is equal to 1, this one. And this parabola also. So let me write here what is the equation of this parabola. Y square is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, so this is the region of integration. This is the region of integration. So in a given integral, integration with respect to x is an inner integration. Getting? So that means the given strip is horizontal. Given strip is horizontal. Since inner integration with respect to x, strip is parallel to x-axis. We have to change the order. That means we should draw a vertical strip. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Agree with me? Yes. So the strip is parallel to y-axis. So now let us find the limits. Okay. So here, so now strip is parallel to y-axis. So we'll get limits of y first, y to y. And then we get the limits of x to x. Okay. So I will tell you the technique here. So we follow a simple funda here. The strip bounded below. Okay. What we say? Strip bounded below, bounded above, left to right. Understood? What did I say? Bounded below, bounded above, left to right. Okay. The strip is bounded below by what? Strip is bounded below by y is equal to 0. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Bounded below, bounded above. Strip is bounded above by this part of parabola. Bounded above by this part of parabola, right? Whose equation is y square is equal to 1 minus x. Whose equation is y square is equal to, what did I say? 1 minus x. But we want simply y. So y is equal to
Root 1 minus x.
Agree with you. Now, what did I say? Bounded below, bounded above, then left to right. Okay, left to right. So at left, it will start at this point where the value of x is 0. And in right, it will go. Okay, so strip is moving actually. Getting my point? Strip is moving from left to right. Left to right. It is moving. So in left, it starts at x is equal to 0. And at right, it will go up to this point. Is it visible to you? It will go up to this point where the value of x is 1. 1. So finally, we got the limits. Understood? Have you
Yes,
understood
sir.
what I explained here?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I is equal to, so now the inner integration with respect to y, since our strip is parallel to y-axis, so I will write the limits of y here and limits of x here, 0 to 1. Okay, what is the function we have? Y sine, it looks complicated. Y sine pi 1 minus x square, right? Yeah. Now we have dy and outer integration with respect to x. Okay. So as you know, we have to solve the inner integration first, right? So what is constant here? Tell me what is constant here.
The sine pi
Yeah.
1 minus x.
Sine pi
into
minus
1 minus x.
Sine
pi into 1
Yeah, that term of sine is constant since there is no any y and the integration is with respect to y. So it will come outside. So 0 to 1 minus x inside the integration, we have simply y dy. What is the integration of y?
y square by 2.
y square by 2.
Square by 2.
Yeah, now the integration is simple. Just a minute. So y square by 2, 0 to root 1 minus x dx. 2 is constant, no? 1 by 2 constant. I will take it outside. 0 to 1 sine pi 1 minus x square Put the upper limit, tell me. If I put the upper limit, what will I get?
1 minus x.
1 minus
minus
x.
x.
minus x.
Okay,
1
now tell me how to
minus
solve
x.
this integration. If I put 0, you will get 0. Huh? How to solve the integration, tell me. How to solve the integration?
Substitution.
Substitution. What shall I put?
1 minus x
Minus
to
x
the
the
whole
whole
square.
square.
Yeah, I already told you the technique, huh? So when you have anything inside the bracket, or when you have anything in at a power of some function, getting e raised to x like that. So that thing we have to put. So here inside the sign we have pi 1 minus x square. So I'm going to put it as a t. It is equal to t. So the first task is to take the derivative. What will be its derivative?
2 times 1 minus
2 power. So it will come
2
further.
by 1 minus x into minus 1.
Yeah, again the derivative of this 1 minus x is minus 1.
Hmm.
I'm writing directly dx is equal to dt. See, 1 minus x dx already we have. Let us find its value. 1 minus x dx is equal to what?
dt by minus 2 pi.
Exactly. Okay, next task.
Is to change the limit of integration.
Limits. If I put x is equal to 0, what will be the value of t?
Pi.
Pi.
Pi. Very good. And if I put x is equal to 1, what will be the value of t?
0.
0.
0.
0. So I is equal to half. Limits now. Pi to 0.
0.
Pi to 0, no? Or 0
Yes,
to
sir. Pi to 0. X is from 0 to 1, so t is from pi
Yeah.
to 0.
Yeah. Okay. But see, do you know how to change the limits in this case?
Yes, here minus sign is there, so we
Yeah.
can change the limit easily.
Yeah. See, when you have A to B, and if you want to write B to A, simply you have to write a minus sign here, right?
Yes, sir.
Properties of definite integral.
Yes,
So I
sir.
will do the same, but fortunately already we have a minus sign here. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
So
minus
let us
minus
keep.
will cancel.
Yeah, very good. So 2 pi I'm taking outside, so it is 4 pi. So it will be 0 to pi sine t dt. What is the integration of sine t?
Minus cos.
Minus
Minus
cos
cos t.
Minus cos 3.
Minus cos t 0 to pi. Okay, I'm putting the upper and lower limit. I want some more space. Huh? Okay. 1 by 4 pi. So minus cos pi, minus plus cos 0. What is value of cos pi?
Minus 1.
Minus
Plus cos 0, 1. So the answer will be?
1 by 2.
So 1 by 2 pi.
Yeah, 1 by 2 pi. That is the final answer. Let us move further. So in the next, I hope all of you understood. Any doubt you have in this second problem?
No, sir. Perfect.
Okay. So the third problem, we have to find the volume of solid. Getting? So, which is bounded by surfaces. They are given the surfaces and the planes also. So anyone knows the formula of volume? Triple integration dx dy dz or dz dy dx, whatever. Getting? You want. But see here we want the limits of x, limits of y, and limits of z. In a given problem, they have directly given the limits of z. No need to worry. Z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2. Getting the point? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The limits of z is 0 to 2. So we need to simply struggle for limits of x and y. Okay. So two curves they are given to us. X is equal to 1 minus y square. And the second is x is equal to y square plus 1. X is equal to 1 minus y square. I think we are familiar with it. X is equal to, we have seen here, x is equal to,
Parabola.
Yes,
Parabola.
sir.
x is equal to 1 minus y square. Okay. So shall
Hmm.
I write directly?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Already seen, no? Why shall I waste some time on that? Shall I draw the parabola directly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this
Yes,
kind of
sir.
parabola we had na? In last example. 0, 1, 1, 0. Agree? And here 0, comma minus 1. So simply we have to try for the next parabola. X is equal to y square minus 1. Agree with me? It is again a parabola because the power of x is 1 and power of y is 2. So tell me parabola symmetric about
Positive.
Positive y.
Positive.
positive x-axis.
Exactly.
Positive x-axis. The reason is the sign of x is positive. So that's why parabola symmetric about. That means the parabola will look like this. Getting? Parabola looks like this. But I don't know where does it intercept to this given parabola. So I will follow the same technique, same idea, which we have already used in last case, last example. I will find few points on the parabola. So I will get the exact position of that for a parabola. X, Y, X, Y. Okay. X, Y, X, Y. So let us put some points. If I put y is equal to 0 in this equation, what will be the value of x? If I put, sorry, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 if I put, what will be the value of x? 1, right?
-1.
So
-1.
minus 1.
Minus 1, my mistake. -1, comma 0. So it is here. And if I put x is equal to 0, then in that case, x is equal to 0 in the same equation.
Y equal to
Y equal
plus
to
or
plus
minus
minus
1.
1.
Plus or minus 1. If you solve, you will get it. So 0, comma plus or minus 1. So that means the same points, this point and this point, right?
It's just a 180-degree rotation.
Yes, you're right. Exactly. So the second parabola is obtained by rotating the first parabola by 180 degree. It's correct. Okay. So in XY plane, the region is bounded by these two parabolas. Okay. Actually, it is not required, but just for you should know. So that's why I'm drawing the 3D figure here. Huh? So in XY plane, we have just let me check Y. No, yeah. We have this kind of parabola. It looks like an ellipse, no? Yeah. The region looks like an ellipse, no? Not exactly ellipse. Getting the? Yeah, getting the point?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in XY plane, we are getting the region like this, which looks like an ellipse. And in Z varies from 0 to 2. That means we get this kind of cylinder. Understood? Here Z is equal to 2 and here Z is equal to 0. Okay. If you don't know the figure in 3D, no problem. You can solve this problem. Getting? So I want the limits of x and y. So here I will follow the same technique. I will draw a strip. I'm considering a strip parallel to x-axis here. Okay. X-axis here. So I should write the limits of x first. X is equal to 2x is equal to, and then I will write the limits of y. Okay, I will follow the same funda. Okay, so now we have a strip like this. So strip is bounded below and strip is bounded above. And then we will move the strip from bottom to top. Okay, we will move strip like this. Strip bounded below first. Strip bounded below and then bounded above. Okay, bounded below by what?
-1.
Bounded below by this parabola. X is equal to what? Y square minus 1. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Y square minus 1. And strip bounded above by what? Strip
1
bounded
minus y square.
1
yeah. First parabola x is equal to 1 minus y square. And then we will move the strip from bottom to top. Okay, we are moving the strip like this. The purpose is to cover each and every point of this region. Okay, we have to cover every point of this region. So that's why we are moving the strip and trying to cover that region. So we are moving the strip from bottom to top. At bottom, it will start at this point. Okay, and at the top, it will go up to this point. So here the value of y is -1 and here the value of y is 1. So that's why the y varies from -1 to 1. Have you understood how I found that those limits?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, all of you are getting this one?
So can you repeat how you find the limit of y?
Limits of
Y.
y. Okay. So we are moving straight from bottom to top. Getting? It is bottom to top. So at bottom, that means initially strip will be at here. Getting? No, it will move up in upward direction and it will go up to this point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at this point, the value of y is -1.
Mm.
And at the end, it will reach up to this point where the value of y is 1. So that's why I wrote the limits of y from -1 to 1.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So we don't have any function inside. Inner integration with respect to z, first I write. Here our strip is parallel to x-axis. So the middle integration with respect to x and outer integration is obviously with respect to y. Okay. What are the limits of z? What are the limits
0
of
to 2.
z?
0 to 2.
0 to 2.
Exactly. And what are the limits of x? Y square minus 1 to 1 minus y square. Agree? I have written already here that thing. We have got the limits of x. And what will be the limits of y?
-1 to
Minus
1.
Minus 1 to 1.
Let us solve it. We always solve it.
-1
Exactly. Always solve the inner integration first. What is integration of z? dz, sorry. dz?
2.
So
Z
Z.
It is
will be,
2.
right?
Z.
0 to 2.
D. If I put the upper limit, it will be 2 and 2 is constant. I always take the constant outside integration, -1 to 1. The middle integration is with respect to what?
X.
X, right?
Y.
Dx, what is integration of dx?
X.
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 Very good. Limits y square minus 1 to 1 minus y square dy. Put the upper limit, lower limit. 1 minus y square minus, I'm putting the lower limit, y square plus 1. Can we cancel anything here?
No.
No, sir.
Oh, but we can add, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what can we?
2 into 1 minus y
2
square.
minus
2
2.
into 1 minus y square.
Okay, so I will tell you one thing, that when you have this kind of limit minus a to a, you need to check whether the given function is even or odd. Getting that? It will save your time in
Yes.
exam. Yeah.
Yes.
So if the function is even, what we do? Tell me, if the function is even, what we do?
The 2 into integration
2
0
into
to a
integration
fx dx.
dx.
Okay, this technique is applicable if the function is even, and if the function is odd.
0.
Equal to 0.
Yes, yes, yes.
0.
If fortunately, if the given function is odd, it will save your time and you can directly write the 0. So that's why I always need to check. Getting? So tell me, what about the given function, this function? It is even function or odd function?
Even function.
Even.
I hope all of you
Even
know what is
function.
even and odd. All of you know this, na? Even and odd.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. See, even. So 2 is already there. One more 2 I will take outside and it is even. So 0 to 1. 2 minus 2y square dy. Tell me integration now. 2y minus 2y cube by 3, 0 to 1, right? Put upper limit, lower limit. If I put 1, you will get 2 minus 2 by 3. Yeah, tell me. 2 minus 2 by 3.
So the final answer is 8
4
by
by
3.
3.
4 by 3, na?
15 by 3.
So the final answer will be
8
16.
by 3.
16 by 3.
16 by 3. It's not 8 by 3. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall we move further?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, can we take the strip in the vertical direction also?
Sorry, please repeat.
Sir, like while we're taking the strip now, we take in the horizontal direction. So can we take it in the vertical form also?
Particular form. Okay.
No, sir, she is asking vertical form. The strip.
Vertical form. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Here, if you take the strip in vertical form, see, the problem will be more complicated. See, just a minute, huh? We have this kind of figure, no? right? Okay. So see, this is first parabola and this is second parabola. So if you take a vertical strip, what will happen? See, strip is moving in this way, no? From left to right, okay? So when the strip at this position, the strip is bounded below and above by this parabola, right? But when the strip moves from left to right and it reaches to this region, it is bounded above and below by different parabola. So you cannot solve this integration. You cannot take a single limit. In that case, we supposed to divide the region in two parts. So we say this is first region R1, this is second region R2. We need to solve the separate integrations for R1 and R2. And then by adding, you will get the required answer. So it makes the problem complicated. So that's why
Okay,
for
sir. Thanks.
to avoiding this, I consider the strip parallel to axis. Understood now?
Well, we can take for the dx dy dz also.
Shall I move further?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the volume of solid, they have already mentioned the volume of solid is pi alpha minus pi, and we have to find the value of alpha. Okay. So what is the formula of volume? Just now we saw, no?
Triple integration
Integral dx divided
dz divided dx or dx divided dz. Getting? Okay. So they have directly given the limits of x. Will you tell me the limits of x?
Minus
-1 to 1.
Limits of y?
minus 1 to 1.
Okay, but we are confused about z. Getting? Z is equal to 2 and y square plus z square is equal to 2. So what will I do? I will consider the region in YZ plane, YZ plane. Since we have this equation in terms of y and z, so I'm talking about y and z plane, right? So tell me, this is equation of what? Y square plus z square is equal to 2. This is equation of what?
Circle.
A circle with radius
Circle.
2 and center at origin.
Center origin and radius?
Root 2.
Radius
Root
2.
2, radius root 2, not 2. Getting? Root 2. That means we will have this kind of circle. Getting? Radius root 2. Here 1 and 2. So here root 2. Somewhere between 1 and 2. And z is equal to 2. This is equation of what?
The plane parallel to
A
xy
line.
plane.
Yeah. In YZ plane, it will be a line, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. In YZ plane, it will be a line. And in XY, that means in 3D, it will be a plane parallel to XY plane, right? So the region is bounded by this line and this circle. That means this kind of region you have here, right?
Yes,
Agree with me? Yes or no?
Yeah, that point will be
Yes,
2,
sir.
right, sir?
Huh?
Yes,
That
yes.
that will be z
Is that
equals
equal to 2?
Yeah, Z is equal to 2. Yeah, right. Z is equal to 2. So I will consider a strip like this. Are you happy with this?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
See, now tell me the limits. What will be the limits of Z? See, the equation of circle is y square plus z square is equal to 2. Bounded below by a circle and bounded above by a line. Getting bounded below by what? Y square plus z square is equal to 2. That means I want the limits of Z.
Sir, can you
plus
explain
minus 1.
the diagram in 3D?
Okay, sure. So let me write it first, y square. Shall I complete the limits of Z first and then I will, shall I draw the diagram?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So the
Yeah.
limit of z will be plus minus 1.
No, we are finding the limits of Z. See, this kind of, just a minute, Just wait. Mm, Okay, see limits of Z, no? So this kind of strip we have, right? Bounded above by a line, Z is equal to 2, and bounded below by a circle, Y square plus Z square is equal to 2. I want the limits of Z. So I will solve this equation of circle. Z square is equal to 2 minus Y square. Agree? So Z is equal to root 2 minus Y square. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So strip is bounded
Sir,
below by
how did you get it? It is bounded above by z equal to 2. Could you please explain?
bounded below. See, when you have the strip, no? When you have the strip, what is our basic technique? Bounded below and bounded above, right? Here, we have a circle of radius root 2. And we have a line which passes through Z is equal to 2. So 2 will be somewhere here, 1 will be somewhere here, and root 2 will be here. So that means region is bounded below by the circle and bounded above by the plane. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
So now Z is equal to root 2 minus Y square bounded below and bounded above by Z is equal to 2. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
let us
sir.
talk about the region in 3D now. This is Z axis. This is, this is Z axis. This is Y axis and this is X axis. So they have mentioned region is bounded by X is equal to -1, X is equal to 1, Y is equal to -1 and Y is equal to 1. That means in XY plane, we have this kind of lines. So this is Y is equal to 1. This is Y is equal to -1. This is X is equal to 1. And this is X is equal to -1. That means we get a square in XY plane. If you talk about in Z, just a minute. So we have a circle here. Actually, in YZ plane, we have this kind of circle. Okay, in YZ plane, in YZ plane, this kind of circle having radius root 2. Here Y is equal to 1, so it will be more than that. And bounded above by Z is equal to 2. This kind of plane you have, this kind of plane. That means you need to consider the region which lies inside this box. Can you imagine we get this kind of diagram? Okay, just like a piece of cake. Getting this kind of diagram. Piece of cake.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting at the top we have this kind of figure, part of circle, and here we have a plane. So the region above this piece of cake and below this plane, okay, that region we need to consider. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain one more time?
Okay, no problem. See, let us consider separately. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, in xy plane, I'm talking about xy plane only. Region bounded by, can you see x is equal to -1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1, y is equal to 1. This
Yes.
is y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to -1. This is x is equal to 1. This is x is equal to -1. That means we get a rectangle. Agree? Sorry, square.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but in case of 3D, your square will lie in xy plane. Okay. So that means this kind of square you have. Just a minute. Agree with me?
Yes.
Okay. We have a circle in YZ plane. See, in YZ we have a circle. So this is Z and this is Y. In YZ plane we have a circle with radius root 2. So we have this kind of circle in YZ plane. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. This line intersects at 1 and this line intersects at this circle intersects at root 2. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So bounded below, now the previous diagram was better than this one, no? Right. Okay. So it is at base you have a square, but at the top we have a piece of circle. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And at the top, we have a plane. Z is equal to 2. So the region is bounded above this piece of cake and region is bounded below this plane. Z is equal to 2. So this region we should consider. So I'm trying to draw this figure in 2D. If you want more perfect diagram, you can use GeoGebra. Directly you will get the diagram, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Oh, I think I need to move further now. Now I need to finish this problem. So V is equal to, yeah, let us simplify dz, dy and dx. dz, dy, dx. Limits of x, -1 to 1. Limits of y, -1 to 1. Limits of z, root 2 minus y square to 2. Okay. So tell me integration. We always solve the inner integration first. What will I get? Integration of dz?
Z.
Z.
Z. Root 2 minus y square to 2 dy dx. And yeah, sorry, some more space I want. Let us put upper limit, lower limit. What will I get?
2
2 minus root 2 minus y square.
2 minus root 2 minus y square dy dx. Tell me, see, when we have the limits of this kind, -1 to 1, we need to check even or function. Is it even function?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I will write and I will write 0 to 1, 2 minus root 2 minus y square. And now help me to solve this integration. Okay, please tell me what will be its integration?
2y.
Integration
2y minus
2y minus
1.
2 minus y square to the power 3 by 2.
sorry
2 minus y
2
square.
minus y square 3 by 2 upon.
no, sorry, you cannot do in that way since y square we have na. See, this formula you have to apply. This formula.
Yeah, sine inverse x by a. Sine inverse x by a.
Plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by. Yeah, will you use this formula and tell me what will be the answer?
Y by 2 root 2 square minus y square plus y square by 2 a square.
Plus a means 2 by 2 sine inverse y by a is root 2. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Put upper and lower limit.
So is it 3 minus pi by 2?
Just a minute. Sorry.
So 3 minus pi by 2.
I am putting 1 first. 2 minus, if I put 1 by 2, agree? If I put 1 here, it will be 2 minus 1, 1. I will write directly. 2 by 2, 2 will get cancelled here. If I put 1 here, sine inverse 1 by root 2. If I put 0, this one will be 0, this one will be 0, sine inverse 0, 0. Okay. So if you put the lower limit, everything will be 0. 2 minus 1 by 2.
3 by 2.
3 by
3 by
3
2.
by 2.
Sine inverse 1 by root 2.
pi by 4.
Sorry.
Pi by 4.
5 by 4.
5 by
5
4.
by 4 dx, right? Let us integrate. See, it is nothing is there. X is not there. It's the even function. So I will write 4, 0 to 1, 3 by 2 plus pi by 4. Is it a constant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take it up. 3 by 4, 2 plus pi by 4. What is integration of dx? X.
X.
Limit 0 to 1. So if I multiply by 4 here, 6 plus pi, and value, if I put here 0 and 1, you will get 1.
-1.
Sorry.
Sir, won't it be minus like 3 by 2 minus pi by 4?
3 by 2, just let me check the sign. Huh? Yeah. There was a minus sign outside, no? So sign will be minus here. Yeah, right. So it will be minus. Here also it will be minus. Agree now?
Yes, sir.
So final answer is 6 minus pi. And in a question they mention the final answer is alpha minus pi. Then what is value of alpha?
6.
6.
6.
Pi is equal to 6. This is final answer. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
I had taken. So we can continue tomorrow. Okay. These problems. Shall we go with the same speed or need to increase the speed? What do you think?
This is fine, sir. This is fine.
Fine. Okay. Okay, then we will stop here. Ma'am is there?
Yes, sir. If there is any doubt,
Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can tell me.
Bye, sir.
in
Thank
the
you, sir.
chat box, there is a question. Shall I
Okay.
read?
Please, ma'am.
Many times we see in double and triple integral that we will not put one limit of a variable in another. Example here, y equal to 0 to 1 and x equal to 0 to 1 minus y square. Why are we not substituting x in y or y in x?
It will be better if I read the question. Just a minute, huh?
Yeah, or if the participant is there, Matthew, Ashwant, if you are there, you can directly ask your doubt.
Yeah, please, ma'am. Can you ask the question directly, please?
Sir,
Huh.
sir, am I audible?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I have a question. It was given in the notice that first 300 student only accommodate in this platform, and rest of the other they
Dear
would.
participant, please ask only questions related to what sir has taught. All other doubts you can ask in the Telegram group, please.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I think Matthew is there, but due to some, I don't know what reason, he's not unmuting and asking the question.
Okay, no problem.
There is, his mic is not working. His doubt, sir, if you can read.
In a chat box. Okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, I have a doubt.
Finish.
X in Y or Y in. See, these X and Y. Matthew, can you listen to me? These X and Y, these are two different variables here. If you want to substitute anything, you can use another variable T, but you cannot disturb X and Y. So that means when you want to put anything, you can use the variable T. Since Y has already some limit, so you cannot use Y when you substitute anything at a place of X. Matthew, have you understood? Okay.
There is one more question. Can you explain how could I find the maximum functions among given two functions in double integral?
Given two functions. Functions or curve you want to ask?
Kirtana, if you are there, you can directly ask the question, please.
Kirtana? So, Kirtana, I think you want to ask which function, instead of function, you should say curve. Getting? So, by drawing the diagram, you will get an idea which curve lies below and which one lies above. Kirtana, are you there? Okay, okay.
So I have a doubt.
Please.
So I have confusion in taking the limits in changing the order of integration.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. Yes. So my screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, first of all, you know how to find the limits. Then we will talk about the change order of integration. You know how to find the limits?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you have this kind of region, okay, I will take a very simple example. This is y is equal to x square, okay? A parabola symmetric about y-axis. This is y is equal to 1. This is x is equal to 0. Suppose this region we have, right? Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you have a strip like this. You have the strip like this. So when you have any vertical strip and you have to find the limits. So strip is parallel to y-axis, agree?
Yes, sir.
That means inner integration with respect to y. And the outer integration with respect to x. That means we should find the limits of y first and then we will find the limits of x. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So our technique is when you have any vertical strip, we find strip bounded below, bounded above, and then left to right. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Strip bounded below by this parabola. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Its equation is y is equal to x square. That means limits of y will be x square 2. Bounded below, after that we will go for bounded above.
1.
1.
1. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So limits are x square to 1. Now, next task is to move the strip from left to right. What is our target? We have to cover the entire region, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So left to right means strip will be initially here. We will move it vertically. That means we will move horizontally, getting, but the strip will be vertical and it will reach up to this point. So at initial stage, at this point where the value of x is 0, since this is y-axis, so the limits of x will be 0. And it will go up to this point whose coordinates are 1, 1. That means the value of x is 1. Since we are interested in value of x, so x will vary from 0 to 1. So limits of x will be 0 to 1. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So why I'm saying that bounded below, bounded above, left to right? Actually, the thing is negative to positive. What did I say? Negative to positive. So in case of y-axis, negative y-axis lies below and the positive y-axis lies above. So that's why I said below, first bounded below and then bounded above. Negative to positive. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In case of x-axis, in left-hand side, we have negative values of x, and in right-hand side, we have positive values of x. So negative to positive, that means left to right. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you are talking about what will happen if I change the order of integration. In that case, you not need to draw the same diagram. Okay, diagram will be same. There will be no change. Y is equal to x square. Y is equal to 1. X is equal to 0. That's it. And this point will be 1, 1. If you change the order of integration, it means now you have to draw a horizontal strip. Initially it was vertical, now it will be horizontal. But the technique will be same. Now the limits of x first and limits of y second, since the strip is parallel to x-axis. I will follow the same funda. Bound negative to positive, right? That means bounded below and bounded above. The strip is bounded below by what? This x is equal
to 0.
Okay. And strip is bounded above by this part of parabola, right?
Yes, sir.
Whose equation is y is equal to x square, but I want x is equal to something. So that's why I will take
Root
square
y.
root of both sides. So x is equal to root y.
Sir, however, ignoring the negative part,
Yeah.
like x is equal
Since
to
we
minus
are considering this part of parabola. See, this parabola we have. Getting? This is positive part of parabola. This is negative part of parabola. Since in x-axis it is positive and here we have negative. Agree with me?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you talk about this part of parabola, definitely I will go for x is equal to minus root y. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why we are in right hand side now. So that's why I'm talking about x is equal to root y. Now we have to move strip from bottom to top. Okay. Initially strip will be here. It will move up to this point. Okay. Again, the funda is same, negative to positive. Okay. At this point, the coordinates are 0, 0. And at this point, the value of y is 1. We are interested in limits of y. So that's why y varies from this 0 to this 1. So limits of y will be 0 to 1. So integration will be, now we have dx first, dy second, since strip is parallel to x-axis. It will be 0 to root y and then 0 to 1. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt?
So when
Sir,
to take horizontal strip and when to take vertical strip?
Sorry.
So how do we know that when to take horizontal strip and when vertical strip?
Okay, it depends on you actually. It depends on you. Okay, it's our choice. You can take horizontal strip or vertical strip. But see, if your strip, if your choice makes the problem difficult, in that case, you need to change the strip. Getting? So just like in the previous example we discussed. In the previous example, we had a diagram like this, if you remember. Okay, this kind of diagram. Okay, this part of parabola and this is another parabola. And we had taken a horizontal strip, right? So we had taken horizontal strip. That's why in a single integration, we got the answer. But in this case, if you consider a vertical strip, it will create a problem because, see, let me draw the another diagram. This is first parabola and this is second parabola. If you have a strip here, it is bounded above by this part of parabola. Agree?
Yes,
yes, sir.
And now we are moving the strip horizontally, right? That means next time the strip will be here. At that time, the strip will be bounded above by different parabola. That means these two equations are different. So that's why you cannot solve this integration in a single way. That means you have to divide this region in two parts. This will be R1, this will be R2. In that way also you will get the answer, but it will take a more time, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is better to go for a strip parallel to x-axis. Generally, what I do, what I personally do, I will tell you. Generally, I consider a vertical strip. But if I feel the problem will be difficult or we need to divide the region in 2 or 3 parts, in that case only I will go for the horizontal strip. Otherwise, I'm more comfortable with vertical strip.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Sir,
Huh?
so how if I given with a region double integral over R, maximum of two function, how could I find, sir? Through range or how could I find the maximum function, sir?
Maximum function means curve you want to say, or function?
So double integral over R, maximum of x square comma y square, x square comma 2x means, would I take 2x as a maximum function or x square as a maximum function, sir?
Maximum. Okay, inside the integration you have maximum, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X square and
2x.
2x. Actually, it depends on the region. Okay, let me show you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. This is the equation of what? Parabola. Right?
Yes, sir.
And y is equal to 2x. This is the equation of what? Straight line.
Yes, sir.
If your region from 0 to this some point, in that case, that y is equal to 2x will be the maximum function. Getting?
Okay, sir. Through
If you-
region and range only we can say, sir.
Yeah. That means it depends on these limits. Getting? Suppose you have here 0 to 4. If you have
Oh.
0 to 1, in that case, y is equal to 2x will be the maximum function. But if you have 0 to 4 somewhere here, getting? Somewhere here,
Okay.
in that case, you need to divide the part.
Okay, sir.
That means you need to split the integration. It will be integration over this first region and integration over second region. In first region, you have y is equal to 2x is the maximum function. But in the second region, you have that parabola will be the maximum function. Understood?
So we have to split it, sir.
Yeah.
Through.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anyone has any else?
Sir, I have posted the question in chat box.
Chat box, okay. Matthew, right?
Sir, if it is the integral is exist,
Huh.
so then how to find this integral?
Which one?
Integral of ds square is exist.
Integral of
ds square is exist.
Huh.
Then how to find this integral?
Yeah, if you can give me the particular example, then I can show you.
In case 2d integral of 2ds square is given, so how do we can find this integral? Is this integral is exist?
2d x square.
Yes.
And limits, what have they given?
Limit is 0 to 1 is.
See, I didn't see 2d x square anywhere. It is 2dx or it can be something different. Where did you see this question?
No, sir. I have to say about is it possible?
See, when you have a single integration, you should have the single variable dx, right? When you have double integration,
yes,
it will be dx dy. Or even you have triple integration, 3 variables will be there. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
We are talking about a single integration and a dx square.
Yes, sir.
We never take
Yes,
that.
sir.
It's not a variable, no? It's a dx only, no?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
When you have in single integration, you must have dx only. You cannot have that dx square.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Okay, participants, I hope there are no more queries.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, when we find the volume, then we use the triple integral.
Yeah.
Sir, but in the GEM syllabus, sir,
Yeah.
there is given that calculating surface area and volume using double integrals.
Yeah, that can be also possible. Using double integration also it is possible.
Okay,
Using
sir.
double integration also it is possible. I will show you how it is possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
what did I tell you? This is dz dy dx. Okay. You have some limits of x, you have some limits of y, right? And we have some limits of z. This is phi of xy and psi of xy. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Integration a to b, integration f of x to g of x. Okay. Integration of dz is z. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Put the
sir.
upper limit, lower limit. What will you get? Psi of xy minus phi of xy dy dx. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, we get a double integration. So psi means what? Psi means the region is bounded above the surface. Okay, psi is the surface. The region is bounded above by this psi, and phi is again a surface. The region is bounded below by the phi. In most of the cases, this phi will be 0. That means bounded below by the xy plane. In that case, the formula will be integration a to b, integration f of x, g of x, and again psi. That means the given function dy dx. Using this formula also, you will get the volume. Getting the point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that means this formula can be easily derived from the formula what I told you using triple integration.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So I have a question I have posted in the chat.
Okay. If we have double integration and both variables are x, then dx square. See, the variable should be different, no? Atnu, I think your name is Atnu Singha, right? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, variable should be different. Dx, dy. Both variables are x, then dx square. But variable should be different, no?
Sir, I have one question.
Hmm.
Sir, in a limit, there is all are, I think, integral function.
All are
Integrable function.
integrable
I think
functions.
1 minus x square, 1 plus x, sometimes in limit.
Okay.
But if there is a like a greatest integer function, then it can be integral.
Greatest
Integer function. That means limit
Okay.
from x to greatest integer x.
This kind of thing you want.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what you want to ask?
So in previous question, there is a limit y from 1 minus x square something. And then if you replace y's limit is greatest integer x.
Yeah, please repeat.
So in previous question, there is
Previous
a limit
question. Which where?
There is a limit to something such that in this question, so from x square to 1.
Okay, x square to 1.
Instead of x square, we can use greatest integer of x. Then we can
Greatest
find the
integer of x.
yeah.
Okay, then
Then we can find the volume.
yeah, sure. You can area you want to say.
Yeah, area
Area.
volume.
Yeah, we can do it. It is a discontinuous function. Getting it is a discontinuous function. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
That means maybe you will have the region like this. So you need to split the integration. You will get the answer. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
So can you suggest any book for question practice?
Sorry.
Sir, any book, any reference book he is asking.
See, you are from which university?
So I'm from Cotton University, Assam.
Assam. See, Shom series is good. And see, many books are from Mumbai for Mumbai University. See, many calculus books are there. You can refer anyone. Or actually there is one question bank of Mumbai University. So I suggest you to try for that question bank. The difficulty level of jam paper and this one is same actually.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, participants. Now, if there are any more questions that can be taken for the next session. So, thank you, Dr. Ranjan sir, for such an insightful session. We truly appreciate the clarity and depth you brought to the topic, and we eagerly look forward to your upcoming sessions in this series. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.